Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix offline Siri not working on iPhone in iOS 15. So without wasting any time, let's start the video now. So guys, first keep in mind that not all iOS 15, iPad OS 15 compatible devices support Siri without the internet. So make sure your iPhone or iPad device is compatible with using Siri offline. Here is the list of supported devices: iPhone XS, iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 12 series, iPhone 13 series, iPad Pro 2017 and later, iPad Air 3 and 4, iPad 8, iPad Mini 5. All of these devices support offline Siri. If you don't have one of these, you can't use offline Siri on your iOS device. So guys, let's know how you can turn on offline Siri. For that, open iPhone settings application, scroll down and tap Siri and search. Guys, here note that the offline Siri currently works only with English. However, support for more language will be added soon. So tap on language and then tap on United States English. Now go to back menu and open Siri response. And switch on always show Siri caption and always show speech. Now go to back menu again and toggle on listen for Hi Siri and set up your Hi Siri. So guys, Siri will now work on your iPhone without cellular data and Wi-Fi. You can try this by disabling cellular data and Wi-Fi and calling Hi Siri. So guys, here I want to tell you that web search and any other task offline will not work without internet. For that you need internet, but offline can read Siri messages and open any application via a command in your mobile phone. Like if I want to hear the messages, I will tell Siri to read my messages, then Siri will read my messages. You can also open any application using Siri by saying launch the app. After that, the application will open which you will name. That's it. So guys, like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.